Hello everyone. Last time I was printing on my Epson WF-2650, I had a message that my ink is low, and I think it was two inks, two different colors, and I already purchased correct ink, Epson 220 with black and three colors, cyan, magenta and yellow. And in order to see which one was it, I have option of these arrows up and down and OK to go through the display. And here I see that I am on Wi-Fi. I'll go down to copy, scan, fax. I need setup, and once I am on setup, I press OK, and then I am in ink levels mode, and I can press that OK, and I can see here that my black and yellow is OK. Cyan and magenta needs to be replaced. So in order to do that, I will say OK, and then again with the arrow down, I'll need to go to maintenance, and in maintenance I can do print head nozzle check, or print head cleaning, or ink cartridge replacement, which is what I want. Press OK again to proceed, and I need to press start button, which is on the other side of the printer, which is this gray one, and that will align the ink cartridges into position where I can take them out, which we can see when I open this. All this was a little bit to the side, and when I push OK, gray button, and OK and the gray button start, all these colors, inks, cartridges came to the position where I can take it out. So I have to replace magenta, and all you need to do is press this here and pull it out. And on second, I'm sorry, that was cyan and this is magenta, my bad, and I'm pressing again this button and pulling out whole thing. Like I said, I already purchased the inks, and I will need to take cyan and magenta out and take them out of this plastic wrap. Before I do that, I know for the fact from previous replacement that I need to be very careful not to touch on the electronic part where the contacts are, and I will need to do that separately, so I will not record for a couple of seconds, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, one I took completely out, one just to show you. I cut one end and I can squeeze it out, and what I was saying to be careful with is to not to touch this part here, to not to leave any fingerprints, as contact is necessary to be clean. Here is only one part that I need to peel off. This is it. Pull it off, and we are ready to put it in. First one is magenta, and in order to put it back, I need to find that button or clip that I need to press. That will be back side. Put it in the slot where magenta is, like that, and all I need to do is push it down till it clicks, and you could see, or maybe even hear, that this clip got into, needs to be level with the second ink, and that will be it. Now for the cyan, again, be careful for this part, do not touch it. Take this yellow part off by pulling it, and we are ready to do it. One more time, clip in the front, or just follow the directions of letters. They need to be towards us so we can read it correct way. Put it in goes fairly easy by itself to some level. Once we are in, all we need to do is push it till it clicks, and it is all lined up with the rest of these. So that is all what it takes to replace the ink. Now what we need to do is close it and go on display. And once I zoom in, which is a little hard sometimes, I need to do start. And now is checking the ink level. While is this working, I'm trying to zoom it in. The lighting is not so good in the room, so I have to be patient with this display, but I'm sure you got an idea. I'm now waiting for this to finish checking and preparing, and we will be able to print one test page. Okay, after all that time checking and preparing, we got back to maintenance, ink cartridge replacement, and I need to do now go to home button, which is here, and it will take me to setup again. Now I can go one more time with this all the way to copy or home screen one more time, and it is ready to print. So we'll just test one page of the printing something, and by just doing this printing I know that I did correct way, because last time when I tried to print it, it will not let me till I change the cartridge, and I printed calendar of 2022 in color, so that means that all my colors are full and I am good to go. Easy part to do. I like this Epson WF-2650. It holds me for some time. Inks are fairly affordable. I hope that this video helped anyone or somebody with how to change this. If you will have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than glad to answer. And thank you for watching.